Okay, we're going to look at another example of using algebra to solve a word problem. So the first of two numbers is 5 more than the second. And then it says 3 times the first number plus twice the second is 30. What are the numbers? Okay, so this one's maybe worded a little bit challenging. Another tip with solving word problems, just take it really slowly. Break it down, just read the first sentence. Or even the first few words, the first of two numbers. Okay, we know that there's two numbers. Stop there. Then the first one is 5 more than the second. Okay, stop. Which one's smaller? Which one's the smaller number? The second number. Which one was mentioned second? The second number. That's what x will likely be. So in this case, and remember, you don't have to use x. I just like using x. So you can say let x be the second number. Okay? Then it said the first one is 5 more than that. So that means let x plus 5 be the first number. So we have two numbers. One we're going to call x, and the other one we're going to call x plus 5 because it's 5 more than the other one. Perfect. We're done. We're done our let statement. Now, read the next sentence. Again, take it slow. Even just the first few words. It says 3 times the first number. Okay, stop. What does that mean? 3 times the first number. We have to use brackets because x plus 5 is the first number. That whole thing is the first number. We want to multiply that whole thing by 3. So be careful. Use brackets. Then it says plus. Well, guess what? We just write a plus sign. Now, how do we say twice the second number? Well, the second number is x. So we write that as 2x is, so in math, the word is, that means equal 30. Okay, so again, if you're struggling, just break it down. 3 times the first. What does that mean? That means 3 times whatever the first number is, plus, and go slowly through it. Okay, now we have to solve the equation. So remember the distributive property. You have to distribute that 3 to all of the terms in the bracket. So 3x plus 15 plus 2x equals 30. We're going to collect our like terms, 5x, and we can actually, remember, how do I get rid of adding 15? I'm going to subtract 15. So that will be 30 minus 15. Whoops, I thought that was black. So we have 5x equals 15. And we solve for x, and we divide both sides by 5. And we get x is 3. Okay, so let's go back. What does that actually mean? That means the second number is 3, because remember, x was the second number. Then what was the first number? 3 plus 5. So the first number is 8. So therefore, we can actually just say, therefore, the two numbers are 3 and 8. By the way, you can check your answer, right? We can say, okay, if the first number is 8 and I do 3 times that, that's 24, and then I do 2 times the other, which is 6, what's 24 plus 6? Oh, that's 30, right? So you can check your answer. You're going to know if you're right or wrong, which is kind of cool with these problems.